In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops India continued acts of state terrorism martyred 22 Kashmiris during the past month of October. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, 12 of those martyred were killed in fake encounters and in custody by the Indian troops. At least a dozen people were injured in firing of bullets, pellets and tear gas shells by the men in uniform on peaceful protesters in the occupied territory. As many as 1,140 people were arrested and 6 residential houses and structures were destroyed in 309 cordon and search operations and house raids conducted by the troops in different areas of the occupied territory during the month. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar deplored that more than 6,000 Hurriyat leaders and activists, journalists and students have been illegally detained in jails, police stations, army camps and interrogation centers on baseless charges. He urged the United Nations Human Rights Council and other rights organizations to pay a visit to the hellish jails of India and occupied territory to see the plight of Kashmiri detainees for themselves. Meanwhile, Indian troops continued massive cordon and search operations in Bhattapatri, Gulmarg and Boniar Uri area of Baramulla district on the second consecutive day today. In Poonch and Rajouri districts, the Indian military operation continued on 22nd day today. A protest demonstration organized by National Conference in Srinagar demanded immediate release of Kashmiri students detained by Modi regime after Pakistan's victory in T20 World Cup match against India in Dubai on October 24th. The authorities barred People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti from visiting the family of a martyred labourer Shahid Ahmed in Islamabad district. On the other hand, the protesting farmers in India have warned the Modi government to repeal the contentious farm laws by November 26 or be ready to face intensified protests at Delhi's border points. The warning has been issued by the Kisan leader Rakesh Tikait. The Modi-led Indian government deported a US-based billionaire Sikh of Punjabi origin, Darshan Singh Dhaliwal, from Delhi airport without allowing him to meet his family. He was charged with setting up a langar for farmers in Punjab, India. Thousands of Sikhs from across the United Kingdom took part in a referendum for an independent Sikh homeland, Khalistan, at the Queen Elizabeth Centre near the British Parliament on October 31, 2021, the day on which Indian Premier Indira Gandhi was assassinated in 1984 for ordering the Operation Blue Star to curb the Sikh movement. Bharatiya Janata Party and its Modi-led government has intoxicated Hindu population with alarming levels of Hindutva mindset. An analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service said that Muslims being punished for their faith and culture are experiencing worse treatment at the hands of Hindutva forces than Jews faced under the Nazi regime. RSS BJP followers are ideological equals of the Nazis. Meanwhile, Indian paramilitary troops killed 3 women in Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh state in India.